right, well, welcome back, YouTube subscribers and viewers. Today we are back in the enslaved community in front of the reconstructed 18 by 18 square foot slave home here. This is the house where Judy and Lewis used to live on this site back in 1843. And today we're going to be talking about one of the carpentry tools that carpenters like Jesse Sawyer, white hired hand, or enslaved carpenter Lewis, Will, or Melvin would have used. This is a type of plane that was listed on the 1839 inventory list. In fact, there are 8 different types of planes listed on that list here. Made out of wood, as you can see today, and it was used for, this type of tool is used to smooth out and to get a little bit of a shave off of the wood itself. So there are various parts to the structure of this wooden plane. You have the handle, of course, right here, where carpenters like Lewis or Jesse Sawyer, Melvin, or Will would have held on to. Standing up, get more leverage that way. Then you have the toe of the plane, the sole of the plane, the heel. This is called a striking button, and as you can see, it's obviously been struck here. Actually, I don't know exactly why they would do that, but probably to adjust how the plane was moving across the board. Then you get to the blade here as well. So this is the wedge to hold the blade into place. And now if you take the wedge out, you can see the striking blade, or not the striking blade, excuse me, the iron blade. And this is the iron, another iron block attached to it. You could adjust the height of this blade, how it comes out of the mouth of the plane itself. So typically the blade would be just a couple millimeters protruding out of the mouth down here, because you're not wanting a huge chip. You're just slowly taking off a layer of the wood as you glide this across, or push it across the wood, I should say. And so you can adjust the height of it. So it has the screw here to loosen it, adjust along the blade itself, put it back into the cheek area, and then you put the wedge back in to hold it into place, and then proceed to use it from there. So that's a little bit about the plane here, about our site. Tune in to our channel to see more videos, and don't forget to subscribe as well. We would love to have more subscribers here. So thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you out here next time.